Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the authentication servers are currently down for maintenance Minecraft error. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type run, click on open it. And now check my video description for this run command. Just copy and paste over here. After pasting it, select OK option and this will pop up, select yes. And now this notepad will be open up guys. In this notepad, you just need to delete these two letters mojang.com, both of it. The same way it will be looks over here. I already did this. You just need to backspace it, both select both and backspace it. And after that, select file and select save option. And now that will be saved guys. Now just to close stuff here and relaunch the Minecraft and our problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.